what's up guys, welcome to a brand new video. So today is a big day because we got the new GoPro 9. So yeah, we're gonna open it now. So oh, yeah, that over there. Okay. Oh god, I can't even open it. Okay. Okay, so first we're gonna start with the. So here's the what's it called? Charger. Here's the batteries, and then I don't even know what this is. But so this thing, whatever it is. And then you have this thing that goes on like your helmets or stuff. And then okay. And then we have this spare screw for stuff that can go on this. So yeah. And then you have the what is this called? Yeah. The GoPro. So it is bigger than the GoPro 8. I like the way that there's a screen at the front and on the back. Yeah, and it says 9 black on the side. And so we're gonna put this back. Yeah. Okay, this. Okay, so and then we got these spare batteries that we bought with it. And for you guys that want the GoPro 9, you can just buy the GoPro. You don't have to buy any other equipment. You can if you want, but yeah. And we got this. I don't even know what to call this. 3-way grip arm tripod thing. So I'm gonna open this. Ooh. Oh my god. I thought it was strong. Okay. And there. Oh, here. Huh. Cool. This is cool. Okay, so we're gonna move that. Oh god, there's another spare thing. So how do I do this? Go back in. Go back in. Okay, whatever. So I'm just gonna. Is it this way? No. Well, whatever. But so you can hold it like this. No, this way. To put the GoPro on. You can hold it this way to put it on. How do you do this? No, not like that. How do you? Okay, I don't know how to use that thing. But now we have the mod, this thing. So so it's better quality of the sound. So I'm gonna open that up now. Oh god, this is weird. Oh god. Oh, more than one thing. And oh my god. Another screw. Screws. And we have another one of these. Not another one. Okay, whatever, but here it is. Oh no. Alright, we're just gonna take this out. This is cool. This is here. I'll get the GoPro and see if I can even put it on. Okay. I can move it. Oh, there. Oh no. But I don't know what. Okay, I'm not gonna put that in because I don't want to destroy it before we even use it. So I'm just gonna put those back. Look at the mess that we made already. Okay, he's not gonna show. Yeah, okay. So these are. Oh my god. These are all the stuff. Or what was it called?
Mounts.
Mounts. Stupid. And we have this grappling hook. No, it's not a grappling hook. What's this? Oh. Okay. And then we have this thing. I don't know what that is. These are all sticky stuff to put on your helmet. That's one of them. You have these things that you can stick on your window of your car. These are damn it, another screw. Oh god. And this is for in water so it can float. And then, no, this is quite messed up. And then I don't know what this thing is. We have this head mount, so you could strap it around your head. This is the chest mount, so you can put it here, the GoPro. And then, is that it? Yeah, that's it. So, yeah, bye.